Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies, and here I am, Pallavi. Hope you are doing all well. So today you can see on the screen beautiful, tasty, yummy masala omelette, so colorful. So it's a chatpata masala omelette that I am making today, very healthy and easy, and yet it is simple. So if you want to know how to make this recipe, stay tuned until the end of this video. So let's get started. Masala omelette. So to make this simple masala and tasty and healthy recipe, firstly I've taken a pan and I already switched on the gas stove and it is getting warmed up. So just added 2 teaspoons of oil, and once the oil, you can see already bubbles are turning up. So I'll be adding onions, a very small piece. So this is only for 2 eggs that I'm using, for which will serve one person, 1 to 2 people. So this is a small piece of onion. This is half piece, you can say. So I have cut this into half and then cut it into small pieces. So first we'll fry this until the raw smell from the onions disappears. Then we'll add the other ingredients. Now you can see they've all turned transparent and also the raw smell has disappeared. So here I am adding small piece of carrot. It's a healthy recipe, as I said. So adding a small piece of carrot chopped to small pieces. We'll cook this as well. Next goes a small piece of chopped tomatoes. We'll fry this as well until it is completely cooked. And also along with this will go 1 green chili, fresh green chilies chopped. I have de-seeded them. So we'll cook it. We'll cook it until the entire vegetables are nicely cooked, and then finally we'll be adding whisked eggs. So I'll cover this and allow this tomatoes to cook and become nice and soft. Now it's less than half a minute. So this tomatoes have become little softer, so this is sufficient for us. So now we'll be adding the masalas. So firstly we'll be adding a pinch of turmeric, salt as per your taste, and then we'll be adding red chili powder, half teaspoon. We've already added green chilies, so no need to add more, but you can increase it if you want. And then a pinch of garam masala powder. We'll mix all this well. Then for this, as I said, we're taking 2 eggs. So here I have 2 eggs with me. So we'll whisk it and add it. Here I have whisked the eggs and we'll spread it across like this so that it covers the entire vegetables. And we'll allow this egg to cook. So you can just spread it. Here you can see. It's a very tasty omelette, very healthy breakfast, or any time when you don't have anything to eat, you can use this. So just a pinch of a little bit of chopped coriander, adding it on the top, and then we'll cover it with a lid and allow it to cook. Now, so this has been cooking in low flame. You can see how it has cooked. So we will flip it and cook the masala omelette on the other side as well. You can see it has nicely roasted. So we'll allow it to cook. So the masala omelette is now ready. So we will just flip it on the other side and then eat it, and also add a little bit of chatpata masala in this, which I have made at home. I'll leave the ingredients in the description box, so do check it out. So let me now transfer this to the plate and taste and let you know how it is. Yum, yum, yum. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do like the recipe, do share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel if you are new and want to see similar kind of recipes that we make. So do subscribe and click on the bell icon So let me now sprinkle a little bit, a pinch of chatpata masala on the top so that the masala omelette is nice and tangy as well. So here it is. So here I am tasting it, and let me review it and let you know how it is. Taking a small piece firstly. So here it is, very small piece that I am taking. Yum, it's amazing. So thanks for watching, friends, and as I said, please subscribe to our channel and continue supporting us, and very grateful for all the subscribers who have been watching this. And if you're new, do subscribe, don't forget it, and don't forget to try it and also comment. So thanks for watching once again. Take care of yourself, stay fit, God bless, bye bye.